Welcome to the help screen, and this is how to change sponsor on Cash App. So guys, this is a step-by-step guide, so follow along. So guys, first thing that you need to do is open up the Cash App on your mobile phone and then tap on this profile icon on the top right corner. And then from here guys, if you scroll down and tap on support, you're gonna need to tap on something else. And after that, if you scroll down and tap on cash card, again, scroll down to the bottom and tap on contact support. And then click on not about a transaction. And then after that, tap on the chat at the very bottom. And now, guys, after that, a customer support will help you. Just type in that you want your sponsor to be removed. And then after that, guys, now to add a sponsor, just click on the profile at the top right corner of the screen again. And after that, tap on family accounts. And after that, tap on I'm a teen. And then from there, guys, hit request approval. And after that, you have to enter your new sponsor hashtag. And after that, when you search it, tap on the user profile. And then from there, hit next. And you will be able to send a request for a new sponsor. And they have to accept it in order for these changes to work. And from there, guys, you will be able to change the sponsor on Cash App. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!